Hello, awesome viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how we can download Monday.com for Windows PC. For that, guys, just type Monday.com. You can type Monday.com download. Go to this Monday.com desktop application. You can see desktop app will be there. Desktop app for Mac is there. Desktop application for Windows is there. Just click on desktop application for Windows. So the application will be downloaded here. Okay. Now it got downloaded. For installing, guys, click on open file. You can see only for me or any all of the users from all the computers. Click on install. So you can click on yes. So it will start installing. So now it will show you completing Monday.com setup. Run Monday, click on finish. It will start Monday.com. So here you can see Monday.com has now launched. So login process we'll see in the next video. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.